Most traders don't lose money because they trade badly. They lose because they're playing on the wrong exchange. If you've ever felt that Binance is too crowded or KuCoin feels risky, this video is for you. Today we're not asking which exchange is bigger. We're asking which one actually fits your level and protects your capital. What this video is really about, this is not a brand comparison and it's not about hype. Binance and KuCoin are built for different types of traders. If you choose based on popularity, you might already be at a disadvantage. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know whether Binance or KuCoin matches your trading style, your capital size, and your real goals. And here's the short version. Binance is designed for traders who value deep liquidity, stability, and a massive ecosystem. KuCoin is designed for traders who want access to more opportunities, more flexibility, and coins that don't exist on the biggest exchanges yet. One is not better than the other. They serve different players. Why most traders feel stuck on Binance. Binance is the biggest exchange for a reason. Liquidity is deep, execution is smooth, and almost every serious trader has used it. But that size comes with a cost. Competition is intense. Bots are everywhere. For traders with small or medium accounts, it can feel like you're swimming in the same pool as whales. Even if you trade well, progress can feel slow and frustrating. Why KuCoin feels attractive but scary. KuCoin attracts traders who are looking for an edge. More altcoins, earlier listings, and more volatility mean more opportunity. But that same volatility makes people nervous. Many traders hear stories about risk and assume KuCoin is unsafe. The truth is more balanced. KuCoin isn't for careless traders, but for the right type of trader, it offers room to grow that doesn't exist on larger platforms. Fees what actually matters. Most reviews talk about fees like they're all the same. They're not. On Binance, fees are competitive and can be reduced further depending on how you trade. This benefits traders who are active and structured. On KuCoin, fees are also competitive, and for traders who move in and out of positions frequently or trade less crowded markets, those differences matter. For small accounts, fees aren't a detail. They decide whether you survive long enough to improve. Liquidity and execution. Reality liquidity isn't a buzzword. It decides how clean your entries and exits are. Binance's strength is clear here. Orders fill smoothly and slippage is minimal on major pairs. KuCoin trades liquidity for opportunity. Some markets are thinner, but that's where price can move faster. The mistake is using the same strategy on both platforms. Each exchange demands a different mindset. Features that change behavior. Binance offers a massive ecosystem. Futures, staking, earn products, and advanced tools give experienced traders a lot of control. KuCoin focuses more on flexibility and discovery. Trading bots, unique listings, and simpler access to emerging assets attract traders who want to experiment and adapt. The key question is not which platform has more features. It's which features actually improve your decision-making. So far, the pattern is clear. Binance rewards discipline, patience, and scale. KuCoin rewards awareness, timing, and adaptability. If you feel overwhelmed on Binance, it doesn't mean you're bad at trading. It may mean you're playing in the wrong environment. Who should actually use Binance? If you are a trader who values stability, deep liquidity, and predictable execution, Binance is built for you. This is especially true if you trade major pairs, use futures seriously, or plan to scale your account over time. Binance rewards discipline and consistency. If you already have a structured strategy and you want the safest, most established environment, Binance gives you that foundation. If you feel invisible on Binance, if you want access to coins before they become crowded, and if you are comfortable managing a bit more volatility, KuCoin fits that mindset. It's not about gambling. It's about positioning yourself where competition is lighter and opportunity appears earlier. The most common mistakes traders make. The first mistake is choosing an exchange because everyone else uses it. Popularity does not equal suitability. The second mistake is using the same strategy on both platforms. Binance and KuCoin reward different behaviors. The third mistake is ignoring fees and execution quality. These small details quietly destroy accounts, especially smaller ones. None of these mistakes are about intelligence. They're about awareness. Why most people pick the wrong exchange. Most traders never stop to ask an honest question. What kind of trader am I right now? Instead, they pick an exchange based on brand name, bonuses, or influencer opinions. When the platform doesn't match their behavior, they blame themselves. The truth is simpler. You can be a good trader in the wrong environment and still lose. Here's the honest conclusion. Binance is not too hard. KuCoin is not too risky. They are simply designed for different stages and personalities. If you want maximum liquidity, structure, and long-term reliability, Binance is the right choice. If you want flexibility, earlier access, and a less crowded playing field, KuCoin can give you an edge. The worst choice is not picking the wrong exchange. The worst choice is never understanding why you picked it. No matter which exchange you choose, you should reduce friction from day one. Fees are a controllable cost. Lower fees mean more room to learn, more room to survive, and more room to grow. This is where referral benefits actually matter, especially for small and medium accounts. If you choose Binance, you can register using my referral code BACK20 to receive 20% fee cashback. If you choose KuCoin, use my referral code Cashback50 to get up to 35% fee cashback on both futures and spot trading. The registration links are in the video description. Using these codes doesn't cost you anything, but it immediately reduces the fees you pay on every trade. If this video helped you see exchanges differently, subscribe to the channel. I focus on choosing the right trading environment, avoiding silent mistakes, and helping traders protect their capital before chasing profits. Check the links in the description, choose the exchange that fits who you are right now, and trade with intention instead of pressure.